So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to make sure you have Avira not running. So if you see anything that says Avira on it, you want to close all of it. So you're going to click on it, and then click on End Task. If you see any more, you want to click on it, and then click on End Task. Just end the task on all of them that say Avira. Some of them will note that you end the task, but just end as much as you can. And now for the second step, you're going to head over to search again and type in Add or Remove Programs. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to find Avira. You're going to click on the three dots, and then click on Uninstall. And then click on Uninstall again. And then click on Yes. It's going to give you two options to either repair or to uninstall Avira. You're going to click on Uninstall. Skip the survey. And then you're going to uninstall it. And then click on Yes. And then click on Yes again. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you're going to click on Restart Device. If you have any Avira browser extensions, you're going to click here to remove it. So now you just want to restart your device, and then it should be fully installed.